This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, and the brand is only sold through their factory-authorized dealer network. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The GPHH3 models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the GPHM3 units are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The GPHH5 models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the GPHM5 units have a two-stage compressor. Both have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category rating. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.